Ignore the conjunctions for a moment. Remember, and as are our conjunctions.
It realized. And then isn't insult a direct noun?
That's right, because it's the thing that it realized.
And then the devastating insult.
Okay, we're almost there. We have 3 clauses. Somebody talk to me about the relationship among those 3 clauses. Chelsea.
The monkey.
We'll call them the monkey, penguin, and it clauses. Okay.
Okay. The monkey is, I think, the main one, so it's going top.
Okay.
And then the penguin cried is also. Oh no. Okay. The monkey backed is an independent. The penguin cried is an independent, and then it realized is a dependent clause.
If it realized is a dependent clause, what does it depend upon? Or, second question, what is it modifying?
It's modifying cried.
Telling me what information about cried.
When it cried.
Correct. Talking about the when on cried. So, Chelsea's correct. Independent. Independent. Dependent. What is most important about this arrangement? These 2. Why? Because the bottom clause, it, modifies the word cried. Therefore, it must fall directly below that. Correct. So make sure that we're connecting it to cried.
Wait, can that line be diagonal?
Diagonal to where?
To the middle of it, really?
Sure. I mean, if you'd like to, what's important is where it connects to the top. Okay, that's fine. Remember, this, hold on. Let's pause for a second and realize the purpose of this. Quite often students lose purpose of activities when they're mired in the step-by-step instruction and following orders. This is a visual representation of logical relationships. So you are visually trying to express to somebody the relationship between this group of words, it realized, and this group of words, penguin cried. And what are you saying? That this group of words on the bottom supports or modifies this one word cried. That's why it's important that it link here. So Mariana, if you are really comfortable with doing this kind of thing, so it looks like it's all perfect, yay rah. Okay, that's good. In fact, I could see a justification for that. It looks nice. It seems to link the entirety of that bottom clause with that one word cried. So yay, big smiles. Okay. Now, I'm sorry, go ahead. Yeah.
So you make like a line.
Why, Tejal?
Because it's not just modifying one word of the. They're both separate independent clauses.
That's right. So the entirety of this clause links to the entirety of this clause. Did you notice the 2 words for the conjunctions, coordinating or subordinating? You learn those. They seem sophisticated. You quickly forget. You just sort of memorize. You don't even think about why they're called that. Coordinate means placement. Coordinate. Right? All you're doing is saying that and coordinated these 2. That means it placed them together. Subordinate means what? One is greater than another. One depends upon another. One has power over another. Coordinate simply means they're right next to each other. So there's no relationship of dominance here. You have a relationship of dominance here. Difference between subordinate and coordinate conjunctions. Yes?
For the and, the line under it, does it matter if it's like a full line or if there's spaces? The dasher line?
Oh, the line directly under the and? Oh, it was probably solid in the book? That's fine, yeah. I usually default to the dotted lines for the conjunctions, the linking words. Yes?
Okay. It realized the devastating insult is only a dependent clause because of the word as, right?
Correct.
Okay, so if it was an and, then that would be okay.
If you said and. So, smiling monkey laughing at the frigid penguin backed out the door, and the penguin cried, and it realized the devastating insult. Not only have you changed it to an independent clause, you've also changed the meaning of the sentence. You've said these two events are independent. They don't relate to each other. But with as, you're saying this happened simultaneously. There's some linking here.
But I'm just clarifying, because usually something does rely on something else, but that really is like an independent thing.
Right.
Even though it's not an independent clause.
What?
It's as. So
It
it's-
realized the devastating insult?
Yeah.
No, it's telling me when the crying happened, the simultaneity of these two events, or I should say one directly preceding.
Realize the devastating insult could be a sentence. Is the,
All clauses can be sentences. Okay. Teja.
like because be a subordinate conjunction?
Yes. Because is a subordinating conjunction, although, while. Further questions? Yes, Veronica.
So the monkey is smiling and laughing at the same time. Like, I don't understand. Isn't laughing a verb?
It is if I say the monkey is laughing. But right now, the monkey, you would need that auxiliary verb, the helping verb is, right?
Oh, yeah.
It's not in there. So it's a good hint. If you don't see the word is, chances are that's being used as either a gerund or a participial.
Okay. And I don't understand why it's like, so is it like that because it's kind of like a verb except it doesn't have the is, like,
Which
it's not diagonal, like smiling,
which one are you looking at?
laughing.
Laughing. Why does it slide down?
Yeah.
Because I need that horizontal line because it has all sorts of other structures attached to it.
If smiling had something attached to it.
I would do that, yes. But this horizontal line for laughing gives me the opportunity to drop down this prepositional phrase. If I didn't have the horizontal line, I wouldn't have that opportunity. It also provides the opportunity for, if I needed it, a direct object or an indirect object, something else, because the phrase could actually take a direct object. If I said, not just laughing at the frigid penguin, but I said the smiling monkey kicking the ball, right? The ball is now a direct object. I need that horizontal line to diagram it. Jamie.
If we would put smiling on like sliding down, would you say points off?
No, I probably would not. If you place smiling on the line that looked like laughing, even though there was nothing attached, I probably would not, because that would demonstrate to me that you understood it's a participial. So that is a mistake that does not reflect to me that you lack core understanding. It shows me that you lack just a fine point of understanding. And I'm looking more for core understanding. So what do I mean by that? If you were not able to link these two clauses, this one to this one, at the right juncture, right there, that's a core mistake.
Right.
And I would take off points for that. That would be something fine-tuned. Don't worry about it. Further questions? Applause. Really?